Oh.
Got it. You're right over there.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, so looks like we're getting a 2 flash, which is the thermopile voltage. Or the valve. Sometimes the valve's bad, but it looks like the pilot light is really small. So I could have something to do with it. But we will go ahead and measure the thermopile voltage to confirm. We're going to measure the thermopile voltage. So we set our multimeter to 2000 because we're measuring in less than a volt. Looks like we got 273, 272. So we know we need at least 300 millivolts. So it looks like it's legit. So all I did was put the 2 prongs. So I disconnected the connector from the valve, put the 2 prongs in. You can kind of see it. I've got a clamp holding the pilot button down. It's lit. So you can see the pilot light looks really small. So we might be able to clean that off and then blow a little air through that line and try and get it to produce some more voltage. But we're pretty much locked in at 273, 274. So we'll see if there's any blockage going on in there. I brought a burner assembly with me that I could just throw in there real quick. That would be the quick and easy way to get out of here, I'm thinking. But let's see if we can't kind of bring this one back a little bit. So this is a Rheem 2014. We can use the tester, make sure that the valve is good. See it coming up though. But sometimes my my cheater box doesn't always work on every single valve. Seemed like it was maybe a little bit blocked. We're gonna try it again. It didn't look any better. It's hard to see the pilot lights in this particular model. I'm down in Pacific Beach, my favorite area to work. Still got the TRD, which is good. Try this burner assembly. In the interest of expediting this, I've got another one as well, and I've got a lot of backup thermopiles in case these two don't pan out. And of course I've got valves with me at all times. Make sure the thermopile voltage is legit. Sometimes you get a bad valve and it'll throw a code too. Which happens down here at the beach, because corrosion. I've been getting a lot of these bad thermopiles on this particular model, Rheem. I never got one for the longest time, and then I got like 4 1 week. So they are legit. It does happen. Back together. Oh yeah, it's a much better pilot light. You see how big that thing is? That's what you want. Valve is kicked in already. It's a good sign. Pilot light staying on. There we go. Getting some good hot water. Alright, so I could have screwed around with this one for a long time. And tried to get this one to work, but I got somebody else that wants me to come over and take a look at the water heater, so in the interest of getting the heck out of here, let's get her fired up. Get the heck out of here. Down and dirty. So appreciate you watching this video. Probably not a lot to learn here really, just because I changed parts out, but you did see that you can test the thermopile voltage. Usually my cheater box, I can get the valve to come up, and then we can test the valve and know that the valve is good. But it did not work on this particular model. It's usually the model number on the side. So there are a few that it won't work on for whatever reason. And wasn't able to use that, but we just swapped the burner assembly out. And that's sort of the quickest path to getting it to come up as quick as possible and get these people some hot water. So thank you for watching, and hopefully you found this video somewhat entertaining. If you did, please consider subscribing to my channel. Please hit the like and subscribe button and comment and share. Excuse me. And all those things help a small channel like mine get a little more circulation. So thanks again, and have a great night.